Hi guys, it's Lindsay, aka Makeup and Mobility, a channel where we like to focus on makeup and disability advocacy. If you like that idea, please stick around and subscribe and hit that notification bell, that way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, watch this video until the very end because it helps out with my YouTube algorithm watch time. I greatly appreciate it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. That way we can get a conversation going down in the comments. And tell me some of your goals for 2026, whether they be personal related or just life related. Life related, honestly. Today's video is going to be some of my channel goals for 2026. For the year 2026 in regards to makeup and mobility, my YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and get started and jump right into the video. Like I said, this is going to be my channel goals for 2026. And we made it, y'all. We made it to the year 2026. I don't know how we made it, honestly, but we made it. I am just so excited for this year and what it all has to bring and offer. As a family, as an individual, as a person, I am very excited for this year and what it has to bring and to offer. Not only my channel on makeup and mobility, but me as an individual and as a human being and as a person. So, I have a couple of channel goals. My word of the year for this year, in regards to this channel, in regards for me personally, is hope. 2025 was a year of struggle, but it was a good year. Don't get me wrong, it was a good year, but I struggled a lot, and I just want to bring that word, hope, into realization for this year. And I've got me a little bracelet. It hasn't come in yet, but it says hope on it, and it's tan, and I'm gonna wear that on a daily basis to remind me of this word, hope. I have a lot of hope for this year, and a lot of hope that it's gonna be a good year, and where it's for me as a person, me as an individual, and for this channel as a whole. So let's jump right into the goals. Goal number 1 is I want to continue to grow and use my Discord server that I have for my channel, which is Makeup and Mobility. I will leave the invite link down below for y'all. This was actually brought up by one of you guys, and I thought it was a great idea, asking me if I use Discord, which I do. I use it daily, and I created my own little server for my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy. I have so many plans for it. Things like movie nights that feature movies that have disabled characters, and I want to do book clubs that have books that have disabled characters, and I just want to continue to grow and use that. It's a way that I can interact with y'all on a daily basis, more than just a weekly basis that I do here. And it's just fun. I love it. So that's goal number 1, is to grow my Discord server that I have for my channel. Goal number 2 is I want to continue to upload weekly on a weekly basis. Currently on Mondays, which I think I'm going to stick to the day of Mondays, because Mondays are my day off, and Mondays are the day that I have physical and occupational therapy, and Mondays are just a good day for me, and I love Mondays, and Mondays are a good day for me. They're a good day for me to film, upload, and edit my videos, and I hope you guys just get enjoyment out of my videos, and I love you guys. And they're fun for me to film, and they're fun for me to upload and just interact with y'all. So I want to keep my upload schedule on Mondays for YouTube videos. Goal number 3 is a makeup focus goal, and that is a makeup focus goal of continuing and completing my makeup artist certification. If you guys don't know, I've been in school since December of 23 to complete my makeup artist certification so I can do makeup on other people. Makeup is what I love. It's a passion of mine. It's what I do on a daily basis as a hobby. And I started this channel in 2011 when I was 12. I'm now almost 27. And I have such a passion for makeup, so I want to continue and complete my makeup artist certification. The next goal is also a makeup focus goal, and I want to learn how to apply false eyelashes on myself. I don't wear false eyelashes, so this is kind of an ironic goal, but I want to learn how to apply false eyelashes on myself. I've seen various people that have disabilities learn to apply them on themselves, and they have more or less mobility than I do, and I just want to learn how to apply false eyelashes on myself. That way I don't have to bug my mom every time I want to wear false eyelashes. Now, let's be honest, how often am I wearing false eyelashes? Not that often. But maybe for a special occasion and stuff like that, I want to pull up on a false eyelash. So I want to learn how to apply them on myself. The next goal is I actually want to continue my Creplet series. If you guys don't know what my Creplet series is, it's the series where I read and review books for y'all that have disabled characters and deal with disability in a matter of ways. I just love reading. Reading is one of my hobbies. It's my passion. One of my passions. I set out to read 100 books this year for my Goodreads goal, and I want to continue to film my Creplet series and just get enjoyment out of that, because I do, and I think you guys enjoy it. So I want to continue that series, and the next goal is where you guys actually come in that I want to create content that you guys actually want to see, that is relevant to my channel, makeup and mobility. So whether it be disability advocacy related or makeup related, please leave your suggestions for videos linked down below. Like I've said, I had this channel back in 2011 when I was 12 and now almost 27. And I just want to create videos that you guys actually want to see. So that's where you guys come in. And I love you guys. Find beauty and advocacy and keep rolling on. Have a great 2026. And I will see you guys in my future uploads.